Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126. So this often happen if you try to launch the game and you get this error because of xgameruntime.dll is missing from your system. So to fix this, based on howtoconnect.com, thanks to this website, I can fix this. You can try to uninstall and reinstall gaming service. So you can press Windows X and select terminal. Here you can try Windows X and then select terminal. If you don't have that, you can try to open Windows PowerShell. Here you can copy paste this command line, hit enter after each. You can copy this in howtoconnect.com. Restart system and try to launch the game. And of course you can upload add from the Microsoft stores, and also if you have our gaming service, try to repair and reset it. You can click start, go to the settings, then go to apps, installed apps, try to search gaming service and try to repair or reset. And this is the difficult one. You have to pay attention, you have to read carefully how to modify registry editor here. And last, you can download Xbox on Windows. You can go to Google and search Xbox apps to download it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.